Like, can I try? Please let me try.
Crack.
But I think I can do it. Like, can I try? Please let me try.
No, do the other way. Oh. No, do the other way.
I want to do it this way. Wow, this was good at woodwork. I should have gotten it. Okay, let me get the string out of the way. Finishing nails first side to 5. 3/4 of an inch nails though.
I got it, yeah.
That's alright, yeah. That's it, yeah. You can use this to either decorate it or certify it or make the poles make sense. That if I cut a piece in half and lean it, I would get a roof. What I could do is cut these down and make like a fucking roof porch for the birds. And put like pieces of bread up here or pieces of corn.
You know,
Oh, okay. I kind of like my porch idea. That actually looks pretty badass. Oh, what?